All right, guys. I want to talk about Zcash here. Now, it was mentioned in the chat, but I want to talk about it because there's so many coins like this, right? There is so many coins like this. I mean, be it Ethereum, BTC, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, BSV, REN. Well, different structures on REN. Actually, it's a newer chart, but there's so many coins like this, right? And it is a bottoming pattern. It's an explosive 3-day X pattern, three day apex pattern. Um, Now, this video is on my bigger screen, so I need to be very quick with the video. Now, Ethereum, look here. All you have to do is check this out, right? When you form a pressure cooker right here, just like this, or right here on Amazon, just like this, right? After a bear market, when price bottoms out in a bear market and you form a weekly apex, right? You form a weekly apex, the price is going to absolutely explode into a bull market. And it can do for years to come. It's forming bullish structure, right? And I keep saying that I think we have a 10-year bull market ahead of us. It's because we're forming bullish structure, just like the Nasdaq did after the tech crash. Okay, when you form bullish weekly structure, when you put in this pressure cooker here, what happens? Right, price will consolidate here for a number of weeks, and then it will explode to the upside, and then you are above all moving averages, and you can move into a long-term bull market. This is Ethereum. Now, what happened here on Amazon, right? Same thing. You form the pressure cooker, right? After the pressure cooker, you can see what happens, right? We broke out. It wasn't quite as explosive to start off with, but that's because it built bullish structure, right? And after it built bullish structure, well, we all know what happened to Amazon, okay? Because you formed bullish structure above all weekly moving averages and you broke out of a weekly apex. You break out of a weekly apex and there's no turning back. That is not going to turn back anytime soon because weekly moving averages take years to change direction.